Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Guys, this is Captain Handy again, and I would like to show our job, which is done. This is our deck, which is built nicely. We have like pickets, black pickets. It's modern design. We use pressure treated wood, sienna wood. Also, we do the whole things leveled because the house is much lower than the streets, and the water comes from the front to the backyard. And all the buckets what we have, we put 4 buckets so the water can go there. And if you can see, there's nicely grass and there's no water. We put the gravel and slope in all that way. So in the middle we have the lowest point. Also we have the fence, as we use 4x4 post and 1x6 boards. This is nicely place where you can relax, and it's in the night you can burn the wood and just enjoy with your family time. So now we can go in the front and see what's going on there. As you can see, everything's sloping this way. We use the gravel, so we cover up all landscape fabric. So landscape fabric prevent weeds, and the gravel actually is make it clean. So we just done the neighbor area. This is neighbor area. We did nicely. So to the clay. So the water goes this way. In the middle we have a weeping tile. So it's collect all the water and goes to the back. As you can see, the house is not ready yet. The project's still going. They have some couple plywoods, but it's not our part though. And here we put the river rocks with the flowers, gravel and the asphalt, because everything did by the code and drawings. We did asphalt, so it's a small one because by the city rules we cannot go over wider than this. Nicely did interlocking from the back. As you can see, the slopes go from the front to the back. We did the grass like 1 week ago. As you can see, it's all green and growing nicely. So yes, this is our project, and stay with us for more updates. This is Captain Handy. My name is Alex, and always on duty.